Ooh, that was a really good backhand from Jaime, but at this level you have to be ready. You can't be happy about one good shot. You recover, you get back into the position. It's not over until it's over. Ooh, a bit of luck going Elessar's way. That was a nice idea by Jaime. Yeah, we can see he definitely has a plan. Ay, ay, ay. This is a really good match so far. Beautiful backhand from Jaime. I know it didn't count, but you can still see the effort from him. Now it's Jaime with 5 game points. Ah, that should have been the forehand. Yeah, this is something that he stole from ProTT. Backhand serve from the forehand corner, and then he's looking for the backhand, but... Okay, Elessar. Still fighting. And he loses this game on a shot that normally you would ask him, where does he want you to put the ball for him? He would say on the forehand. But as always, when there is pressure, things like this happen. Beautiful forehand, big forehand, huge forehand from Donjaime. I'm very happy with the way he's playing right now. It's one of my pupils, so I'm definitely happy to see him playing positive like this. That was a little bit too passive. Beautiful loop. Holy shit, that was not easy. That was a big chop from Elessar. And Donjaime is still going for that backhand. Had to go really low. Beautiful forehand now makes it 4-all. Ay 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 ay. Nice. Ooh la 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 la. There is a new star in the making. No, that's the mistake that happens sometimes. Sometimes he wants to play the forehand before you even give him the ball, and he would just chase the ball with his forehand, regardless of where does he need to run. 7-all, Donjaime to serve.
Let's serve.
Aye, that was a good chance. That was a loose return from Elessar. Not precise enough. That was not easy. What Donjaime did to bring back that forehand. Yeah. That's unlucky, but keep your head up. Keep going. Keep going. Still think Donjaime has a little bit of the upper hand so far, but he just needs to play wisely. He'll play wisely, then he has the upper hand so far. Nice, beautiful. Yes, Donjaime is playing with Vassal. That is a good serve from Elessar. He caught Donjaime a bit off guard. That serve was too loose, too loose. That's not the good quality against a player like Elessar. And we can see Elessar not doing anything fancy. Hello, Vasul. Hello, hello. Superstar, the hero. My hero, you are here. You are a legend. We can see Elessar is not doing anything super fancy, but he's consistent. If you can put pressure on him, you have a good chance of winning. But if you just play it, it's a little bit like the same problem as Generically did against ProTT. If you will just play a soft open game, it's going to be very, very hard for you. You just need to force a little bit to be a bit more aggressive. I think that was an edge, but Donjaime was not aware. Still fighting. 10-8. Elessar to serve. That's the problem that Elessar would deserve, but wow. What a counter loop. Really well played. Only 1 point difference. Let's go. Wow. Wow. What is this? Beautiful counter loop again. That was a well-placed shot. Going into Donjaime's body, but he was quick on his feet and... Oh, come on, come on, now you have to win this one. After a comeback like this, you have to. No, no! That's so unlucky. Okay, I'm gonna stick to my words. Even though Elessar won this first match, I still think Donjaime has the upper hand. He just has to use energy wisely. Gonna play well tactically, he will win this match. If he will lose this match, then it means that he played wrong tactically. Right now, unless Elessar starts doing something really, really fancy, which is not happening so far, so... The way Donjaime is playing right now, everything is in his hands.
Let serve.
Just wow. If you keep playing like
Let
this,
serve.
and then you don't win the whole match, then you did something wrong. So it's definitely gonna be interesting. Wow. One after another. You'd think you see Elessar on the other side of the table and you think, okay, I have to avoid the forehand, but Donjaime is like, your forehand, look at my forehand. Okay, I wanted to say that was not a smart choice for serve, but if you can counter loop almost every single loop that he does, then who cares? Yeah, we can see that Amy has waves. Before he was ascending and now he's descending, so... And Elessar is always, he's consistent with what he's capable of. Beautiful backhand, holy moly. Ah, he's so close, so close. Elessar with 2 game points. Donjaime misreads the serve, puts the ball out. 1-0 in that second match. Ooh, very good rally. Holy moly. The placement from Donjaime was spot on, but Elessar, I'm not sure myself how did he bring it back, but really well played. It was not only 1, but 2 shots in a row. Chapeau bas. And now Elessar starts playing himself. He's starting to play. That's really, really nice to see because he's super dangerous and he's super fun to watch when he's finally putting a bit more effort. And this will make the whole match even more interesting. But Donjaime, what is this? What is it with the guy? What did he eat? I want the same. Give me the same food. But that's, again, one of these moments. It's like before Elessar even hits the ball, Donjaime decided that he will go for a forehand and he will chase. He will jump out of the window, but it's still going to be the forehand. That's one of the mistakes that sometimes he's doing. Ooh, good defense, good defense, good defense from Elessar. No, no, that was a bad serve. That was wrong straight from the start. Ay, 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 and Elessar, we can see, this is the pressure. This is the pressure. This is the pressure. He wants to play as precise as possible. Amazing, amazing. Well deserved. Well deserved.
Let serve.
That was a well freaking deserved win for Donjaime. Now it's very important. This match is very important. Yeah, that's too lazy, too lazy. You're not Malong, you can't do that. Don't have the touch of the master. Yeah, of course. I'm complimenting every single opponent in the tournament. Because if I don't scream, I don't move my ass. Ah, nice try, nice try. That was so close. Get on the table. But it's Elessar with 4 game points. Only 3 left. Oh la 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 la. Oh la la, that backhand. But then, just move your ass. Smooth your ass, you play a freaking unreal backhand, only to miss the forehand because you don't move soon enough. You have to be ready, come on. It's okay, don't get excited, just play. Yeah, because that's exactly what I'm talking about. Sometimes he has this mindset that before you even give him the ball anywhere, you don't hit the ball. And he already decided, I'm gonna go with my forehand. And then if you put the ball out of the window, he will just jump out to play forehand if he has to. Because he decided like this, before you even hit the ball. That's one of his biggest problems. This is something from you, Protity. That pattern. He goes for the backhand serve from the forehand corner, and then he's looking for the backhand. That was too late. That was too late. One tempo too late. I know. Elessar with a match point. Hey, respect for having the balls to go for it. Yeah, I'm also super impressed. Win or lose if he can continue to play like that. Thanks for the sub, emote. And the sub was gifted to Protity, so you can enjoy being the subscriber of the channel. Oh, you've gifted 14 subs in the channel. Holy moly, thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot. Beautiful backhand from Jaime, but is it too little too late? That's the real question. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, right now we have really good shots mixed. Some rather easy, very easy mistakes. Maybe not easy mistakes, but some basic mistakes. Ay, 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 ay. That serve. The return not precise enough. Yeah, it's... Amy is planning ahead, looks like it, because sometimes, like, even if the serve is long, ooh, that backhand. Holy shit. So good. It was a strange flight of the ball, but a really good forehand from Elessar. Good placement into the transitioning point. And we didn't have a space to go to. It was caught in between the steps, so didn't have a chance to move. Yeah, this is nerves. This is nerves. Yes, we do Proti, and I can share that information with you for only 20 euros if you pay right now. IPhaton against Tage is going to be Sunday, 9:30 AM UTC. And Seldon against Porter is going to be Sunday, 7 PM UTC. World rank 41 against world rank 6. Thing is, there isn't much of a difference. Like in general, there isn't much of a difference. There is only a couple of players in this game. When they play their game, you can see the difference. But other than that, I think almost everyone can beat anyone else in like the top 50. All depends on your day. As we can see, Elessar is definitely not playing his best game here. But Jaime is playing really, really well. I think Jaime is playing a bit better than expected. And Elessar is playing a bit worse than expected. And then when you combine those two things together, you get a result like this. I don't know, the thing is, like, in the beginning when we've seen Elessar, we've seen 2 matches from him, and he was flying, he was all over the place with his forehand, but after that, he's playing a bit more reserved. Yeah, and if you want to, like, sail through without risking, and then you lose, and then you have to start attacking, but you didn't attack for some time, then your consistency is not there. Can't always rely on your attacks because you didn't attack, and then you tense up and leads to mistakes. Holy moly, that forehand from Jaime. Just don't get angry. You missed the serve, but you still have 2 shots. He takes it 2-2. Holy moly.
Let serve.
Ay, 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 ay. Why was not that a backhand? Beautiful forehand, yes. But use it when you have the ball like the right side of the table. Donjaime is on fire. This is a crazy, crazy match. Crazy match. Really well played by him. Nice touch, but well played by Elessar. Didn't let go of that ball. Still not done, Jaime. I have to win 2 points. Not gonna be gifted to you. Wow, that backhand, holy shit. This is insane. Hey, that's a rare whiff from Donjaime. Another rather easy mistake. And Elessar 5-1 in the lead. Seven-1. Yeah, really good shot, but he needs to level his confidence, his concentration, sorry, focus, because going up and down. Nice. Jaime still fighting. If he was consistently hot, then he would melt. Good that sometimes he's cold. Wow, so much spin on that backhand. Holy moly, so much spin. And he's coming back. And the pressure is mounting on Elessar. We can see now he's lower. His ready stance was lower. Nice, yeah, Elessar now. Now he's lower, he moves a bit more. Let's see how long he can do that. So close. Ay. Close. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 1-0. Cider in this 5th match. Beautiful forehand. Holy moly. Curve, the amount of the spin. Beautiful. This match is so good. This match is so good. They both won it right now. Both really won it. But why do you play forehand in front of yourself? You have the backhand, and the backhand was doing the work for you. Why? Well, Jin, it's better to actually be able to play a clean forehand, and then you add side spin when you have to. You can only play a side spin loop then. That's not the greatest way. Jaime with a 2 points lead, but it's Elessar to serve. Really good counter. Really good counter. We can see that this is the pattern. Jaime is looking for that forehand a little bit, and then he's stepping around, trying to counter. No, that was too late. I have to take the ball sooner. Oh, that was forced and rushed. Thank you very much for the bid, Sanvik. As always, much appreciated. Yeah, Elessar in this moment, he goes for the standard. He goes for... Like, it's very predictable, nothing fancy, but it works. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Okay, it's not over. He didn't break mentally. That's good. I was worried that he broke mentally, but he didn't collapse, so it's good. He's good. Still in the game. Good serve from Elessar. Good serve. Jaime is not ready for some of those. That's the ProTT's trademark pattern whenever he needs a point. Good serve from Elessar. Yeah. I think that in the end Jaime is not completely in the game mentally. I think it did affect him a little bit. Yeah. Not all the good stories have the happy ending. Yeah, now he doesn't even move. It's over. It's over. Such a shame. Such a shame. That one serve ruined everything.